Mentaka Janmet Hakapolai Steng Ayu Shipai ke Pakistan Director General Military Operation walaupun Director General Military Operation ke India Hakapola ya menjulang beral yang apa ke India ke Pakistan mansanya Iasiat no Maldor harengkeu hasuin ban hadureu ya kan ini benar-benar foreign secretary ke India bikram misi Mentaka Janmet ke Sipotrik Jemang Ajabusan kini kala ulang harin bau Presiden ke USA Donald Trump wakam ba dari lembah ke jingtura ke Amerika ya kihe soka ke India Pakistan bagi apa kini kijing Iasangeh Iasiat kijing Iasangeh Iasiat kan sedang not aduk kapua son bajajan bedem tarasni bikram laong bau Director General Military Operation ke India sekeren segilat pakai kebol harga khat atrik mentau benar
statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.